Alright, sorry for the mess, but today I got my RYOBI 12.5-inch planer. Why did I buy it? Well, it was $150 plus shipping, which seems like a pretty damn good deal. Things I noticed so far for anyone who's getting into, keep an eye on when they're getting, there is no feet, no rubber feet, nothing like that. Just aluminum to the wood mount. Another thing is it is not chain driven, it is sprocket driven or gear driven. And you have a shaft going all the way down to the other side. There's no bearings on the shaft. One of the screws down here was loose. What else can I say? Oh, another thing is the screw that comes over here to mount the handle only would penetrate about 2 to 3 threads. And of course, the second I tried to put it in, it stripped. The planer comes with 2 magnet holders, 1 and 2, and that is where they go. It comes with this here exhaust vent. Can be mounted either this way or can be mounted upside down, which is nice. So you can exhaust to the left or exhaust to the right. These videos are becoming impossible to make because RYOBI is also inspecting the equipment while I'm trying to do a recording. A couple other things I noticed, if you look, is paint chipping, overall dirtiness.